Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Look at that sky. Alright guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough. That's why they want sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, remember if you're new in my store, I take everything apart. So far we have here Echo CS-440. Okay, remember I take everything apart, muffle everything, like that can be the first that I came with you guys and show you everything. Like that you can be fair with me when you receive the machine. Remember I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Alright, let's see what we got going on, baby. Oh, hello. Hello, you. Oh, okay. Oh, you can see his eyes scratch. Alright, so far the piston looks scratched to me, but the scratch can be whatever for other people, but at least it looks by the back, it looks okay. I'm gonna throw some good pictures inside there. That's fine. Okay. We have here the clutch. At least it has the 3 springs here so far, and everything is looking like it is where it's supposed to be. We have here the top. At least so far we know the acceleration is working. This one is working too. It's closing, open. That's good. You got off here. I already show you the part here, the coil, where the coil is. The flywheel looks with the yellow. That's good. You know, it says a lot about a machine when you see that yellow. Okay. Well, guys, it's enough. Let's go forward. Oh, I haven't checked up. Oh my gosh, no, we're stuck. Alright, we got gas. That's good. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try to start this baby to see where we are. Let me see if it has a little oil in it. At least she can cry. Well, that's a little, that's not enough for the pump to grab. Let's see, you never know. Maybe, you know, it's a sentimental one. You never know. Okay, we got it. We're there. Let's see it. Guys, this is my first machine. I'm still a little rusty. You know, I just finished doing my runs. Today I did 8 miles. 8 miles. I'm planning to go to a marathon. I hope everything goes good. Alright, we got it. Alright, this is a spot plug. They came with it. I'm gonna go the doctor. I'm gonna go get the doctor. The doctor. Okay. We'll get you a little up. Let's see if you're watching me good there. Alright, making sure, guys. You know what? I've been learning lately. Every day you learn more. Remember, if it's a big equipment, you just let it have a little, not too much from here, and it's going to help allow the machine to throw the spot, especially what we're trying to do here, that we want to know if his handle works, coil works, you know what I mean. And here you can also do the same. You just have to accelerate a little bit. Oh, make sure that this is open. Of course, both of them will open. You throw a little bit there. I see you like to throw a lot. That's no bueno. All right, let's move over here. Let me make sure that we're recording good. Let's see. Yeah, we're good there. All right. Okay, down is off. I mean, it's on. We're not gonna chug it. We're just gonna hit it like that. 1, 2, 3. Wee. Yeah. I can go like that. Wow. But I cannot do that, guys. This is a decent neighborhood. You know, I'm the only one here making mess around here. It's enough for what we're doing. So far we know the handle works, coil works, flywheel works. Out of that, guys, remember myself for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because this machine is for parts. Don't forget that, guys. It's for parts. Alright, also, remember, if you're not a professional in a way, you don't have a shop or things like that, and you don't know how to fix it, please don't make me waste my time and my customers. A lot of people buy it, this and that. If you don't know what you're doing, don't get inside this type of store, because this is a different store. This is for people that fix, they live out of this, they buy machines every day. That's what I do. I sell to them because I have a lot of everything. Every day I'm trying to put more and more. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and thank you for your support. Remember, I'm trying to be as fair as I can. Like that, you can be fair with me. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, mi gente, ya vieron. Entonces, para empezar, tenemos aquí un Eco CS-440. Mi gente, si usted es nuevo en mi canal, recuerden que yo desarmo todo. Me gusta enseñar todo para ser lo más honesto posible con ustedes, para que ustedes lo sean conmigo cuando reciban la máquina. Es la forma que yo funciono. Recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Son máquinas que vienen con problemas, algo tienen que tener. Si no, no hubieran terminado en mis manos. Ya vieron que por lo menos lo estuve enseñando, la aceleración. Ya saben que la bobina funciona, la ladera funciona y la mariposa funciona, porque vieron que arrancó, lógico. De ahí para allá, no sé qué más decirle. Ahí les enseñé el pistón. Ya vieron, por lo menos lo que es el aro adentro se ve bien. El pistón lo veo un poco arañado. Todo depende del arañado para cada una persona, para otra. Pero bueno, yo como no sé nada de eso, yo vendo para partes. Y aquí tenemos que se ve que tiene las partes, tiene todos los springs y todo. Vaya, tiene bastante cosas para hacer una maquinita para partes. Bueno, la voy a armar, la voy a poner para atrás. Cualquier cosa, aquí estoy. Algo que más que quieren que mejore, por favor, soy todo un oído. Tienen alguna duda, aquí estamos. Ya saben que se me una la raza.